Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Come join the Jammin family. Also hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. As you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we'll be making some creamy pink sauce rotini. Before we jump into the recipe, I just want to say the link to this full recipe will be down below in the description box to my website. Please go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter so you don't miss out on any of the recipes or blog posts that I will be posting weekly. I know I haven't been posting a lot as I should be on here, but to be honest with you guys, I'm just focusing on my own platform. So please guys, go ahead and check out my website, and please don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter. Let's jump right into this recipe. So here I have a large skillet over medium-high flame. I'm just allowing that to get hot, and then we're gonna go ahead and add around 2 tablespoons of olive oil to that. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're gonna go in with a small shallot diced as finely as I possibly could. We're gonna mix that all in and just allow it to get translucent and fragrant a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with some bella mushrooms that I sliced thinly. This is around a cup of mushrooms that I added. We're just gonna go ahead and mix that all in. I'm gonna let it sit for around 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 cloves of minced garlic. I'm just gonna allow all this to cook together for around 3 minutes, and once I added my garlic, I lowered my flame just a little bit. I really don't want my garlic to start burning. After that, I added some cherry tomatoes that I sliced in halves. You could use grape tomatoes as well. I added around 8 tomatoes or so, but like I said, they're sliced in half, so it looks more than that. You could definitely use more if you like. This dish that I made, the amount serving was for 3 persons, but you could definitely increase the ingredients if you'd like it to share for more persons. So once I added my tomatoes, I just crushed them a little bit with my spoon. I allowed all that to cook together for around 2 minutes, and then I went in with around 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. Mixed that all in, and then I just allowed this to cook for 3 minutes. You want to allow your tomato paste to cook out a little bit before adding your cream. So I added a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream. Of course, we're gonna mix that all in together. Once I added the heavy cream, I lowered my flame. We're gonna allow the heavy cream to simmer for around 5 minutes, and then we're gonna gradually add our grated Parmesan while mixing. So to my sauce, I added around 2 cups of grated Parmesan, but you could always add more. Cheese is never enough whenever I'm making my sauce. And at this time, your pasta should be cooked. Whatever pasta you decide to use, it should be cooked at this point. And you want to save some of your pasta water to go in. So like you guys saw, I added around a half a cup of my pasta water. And that starch from your water is just going to lift your sauce up and make it a little bit richer. And of course, we have to season our sauce, right? So I added a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, followed by 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning and a pinch of salt to taste. After that, we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta. And I'm using Rotini, which is my favorite pasta. I'm so excited making this video for you guys right now. Then I'm gonna mix this all in. You want to make sure that all of your pasta is covered in this delicious sauce, guys. You can use whatever pasta you like. Penne would work well, even some rigatoni, guys. And you could add whatever protein you like to this dish. Some shrimp, some chicken, you name it. I was on a chicken and a fish fast. It's good to have a balanced diet sometimes, so I just left it with the vegetables, and it was absolutely delicious, guys. This creamy pink sauce rotini was everything. And of course, I'm going in with some more grated Parmesan. Listen, I think whenever you're making a pasta dish, the most important ingredient is your Parmesan cheese. Like, whenever I go out to eat and the server is like, tell me when to stop, I never say stop. Like, I love me some Parmesan cheese. So for this recipe, I think I used around 3 cups of grated Parmesan. I just bought the block and I grated it myself. It's better to do that. I think that is a fresher cheese whenever you're making your pasta dishes instead of buying the ones that are already grated. I hope you guys enjoy this simple but delicious and easy to make pasta dish. This recipe was a part of a pasta series that I did on my Instagram and my TikTok. So I will definitely be posting another pasta dish for you guys. Also, you guys go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Pinterest. The link to all my other social media platforms is down below in the description box as well. So you guys follow me on everything. I'm a little bit more active on those platforms. Thank you guys for your continued support. You guys walk good and stay safe. Until next time.